Obviously, I'm an American. I've been in the life insurance industry for some 30 years. The last 6 of those have been overseas. Just so happened that I shared with my orthopedic man in Hong Kong that I was moving to New Zealand. And he said, boy, are you in luck. He said, I'm going to refer you to a guy down there who is a great surgeon. He was on the team with Johnson & Johnson to develop and test the new total knee joint, and he can do the work. Make a long story short, that's exactly what happened. Within a year, I had my right knee done. Most folks, I think, wait about 6 to 12 months to get the second knee done. I was ready in 12 weeks, and the surgeries were just a smashing success. And I feel like a kid again. I can walk again, and I can walk normally. So I've been in some hospitals in Singapore and a little bit of an elbow problem from that bike crash. At a wonderful hospital in Thailand, and just some routine checkups in Hong Kong. Gosh, it's a long list of hospitals I've been in the States, mostly in Michigan. Ascot Hospital here in Auckland is clearly the finest hospital I have ever seen, I have ever been in. And I can't say enough about the staff. I can't say enough about the quality of care, the surgical suite. The surgeon, of course, just a tremendous guy. Not only do I have a good professional relationship with him as a patient, I feel like I've got a personal relationship. It was interesting to have some of our leadership team here come and visit me at Ascot. And I was commenting on the food, and I said, my gosh, this is like restaurant quality food. I said, we're certainly not used to that in the U.S. Quality of care, second to none. Just, as I say, I can't say enough. Tremendous. Here I am, a CEO of a company, and we spend an awful lot of our working hours talking about dollars and cents and the budget and so forth. And because I've had so many surgeries over the years and been in and out of the healthcare system, I'm fully aware about healthcare costs. Certainly, as part of my professional career in the health insurance industry as well, healthcare cost always a big issue, and certainly a big issue in most countries. I was floored. I was flabbergasted by the cost. I think the grand total, the sum total of both knee surgeries, everything included, the hospital, the surgeon, the anesthetist, the surgical suite, the actual joint itself, the physio, the follow-up, I think the sum total of both total knee joint replacements was less than what a U.S. surgeon probably would have charged just for his or her fee for one knee. This is amazing. The nursing care, second to none, as I said, about the total hospital experience. Physio, of course, a big part of a total knee joint replacement, and the physio team there was just excellent. And they showed up on time, and they worked me hard, but were very, very sensitive to my needs, and just, gosh, phenomenal, phenomenal, very professional. We've all heard it a million times, you know, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Every nurse in my Ascot Hospital experience, both visits, both knee surgeries, they cared. I knew it, my wife knew it, it was obvious. True professionals. Comparing the New Zealand healthcare system to any other country, gosh, they clearly come out as number one. It's clean, it's professional, you get served quickly and treated like a human being, and very caring staff. This country is clearly one of the best on the planet, certainly one of the most beautiful on the planet. I've had an opportunity to get to know our former Prime Minister and now our new Prime Minister. Great people, and this is a great country, and the services here. Listen, I should make a commercial for New Zealand, you know, about the food, about the wine, about the people. It's a great place to do business, And it's got to be the best place on the planet to have surgery. I think when somebody thinks about coming to a foreign country for surgery, certainly the quality of care is preeminent on their list. But let's face it, cost is really, really important. Not that we would ever sacrifice cost for quality of care, but to think that the greatest quality care I've ever received is in New Zealand, and it was at the lowest cost. I mean, it's, as an American would say, it's a no-brainer. You know, as CEO of a company, there's something we talk about a lot to all of our constituencies, whether it's our distribution team or whether it is the end customer, whether it's the government bodies with whom we deal with, whether it's the media. A lot of things that we talk about is what's our value proposition, and to me, value proposition for an American to come here and have surgery is, I think it's the very essence of the word.